Thank you for being here today as we celebrate the reopening of Firehouse 11 and the beginning of a new chapter in its long history of service to the people of Charlotte. Before we look ahead, I think it's important that we take a moment to look back. In 1958, Firehouse 11 first opened its doors on this site. Charlotte was a much different city then. The skyline was smaller, the population was a fraction of what it is today. Yet through all those changes, one thing remained constant. The firefighters assigned here answered every call for help, served their community with pride, and built a legacy that spans generations. Today we are honored to continue that legacy. Our goal was to build a facility that honors the history of those who served before us while preparing future generations of firefighters for the challenges ahead. It is home to Engine 11, Rescue 11, and Battalion 9. While the building has changed, the mission has not. The firefighters assigned here will continue to respond to emergencies, to protect lives and property, and serve this community with the same commitment that has defined Firehouse 11 since 1958. As Charlotte continues to grow, facilities like this ensure that we are prepared, not only for today's needs, but for the future of our city. This firehouse represents the best of Charlotte Fire. It honors our history, supports our firefighters, and strengthens our ability to serve the Queen City for decades to come.